Hi friends, I'm Abigail and I'm back again with another recipe on your request for a veg dish during this Lent season. Mixed veg kurma. Some of y'all might have tried this dish with coconut juice or some other way, but I'm going to show y'all this recipe in my unique way and mark my words, it still tastes amazing. To do this mixed veg kurma, I have taken some vegetables. I have taken potatoes, carrots, cauliflowers, French bean and peas. The peas I am not going to use now. I am going to keep them aside. I am going to use them later. I am going to use only these vegetables now for boiling. I am going to add these vegetables in the utensil. I have added 3 carrots chopped, 4 chopped potatoes, 1 small cauliflower, and some French beans. I am going to add water for boiling. I am going to add salt, and a little turmeric powder just for color. I am going to drizzle 1 teaspoon of oil. Now I am going to keep this for boiling. Pour the water just covering the vegetables. Don't put too much water and give it a little mix. By the time the vegetable boils, I am going to start frying the masala. I am going to heat 4 spoons of oil in a pan. Then I am going to add 1 small piece of cinnamon stick which I broke in pieces, 3 cloves and 1 small elaichi. Then I am going to add 1 chopped onion. I am going to fry it well till it changes color. I am going to add 1 small tomato and fry it well. Next I am going to add half capsicum. These carrots I have taken out from these boiled vegetables. These are boiled carrots. I am going to add the boiled carrots in and fry it well. I am adding only 1 chili because I don't like spicy. You all can add another one if you all want. I am adding 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. I am going to fry it well. A little Kashmiri red chili powder and some turmeric powder. One teaspoon of cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. I am going to fry it well. Some cashew nuts, and some freshly chopped green coriander leaves. Fry it well. After frying it well, I am removing it in a blender jar. Now I am adding 3 tablespoons of curds. I am going to grind it into a paste. I am going to heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a deep pan and add 1 pinch of cumin seeds. Next I am going to add half onion and fry it till it changes color. Next I am adding half a tomato and frying it well. I am going to add the green peas which I had kept aside. Now I am going to add the boiled vegetables in. And I am going to give it a good mix. Now I am going to add my masala. And I am going to mix it nicely. I am going to cover it and let it boil. Next, I am going to add the vegetable stock. It is the water in which the vegetables were boiling. I am going to give it a good mix. And cover it up again and let it boil. Wow! It smells so nice. My mixed veg kurma without coconut is ready. I am going to put it in a serving dish and garnish it with coriander leaves and cashew nuts. My mixed veg kurma without coconut is ready. I hope you all like it. Do try it at home. Also, please like, share, and subscribe so that y'all don't miss any of my videos. See y'all next time. Bye bye.
Coming up next, my most favorite dessert, Seradura.